I really appreciate it. Have a great day.
Thanks for making me come. I mean, having
yeah, not the first.
Yo, this is the next greatest comedian in the United States.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
What kind of mean? What's so funny?
It's not very good, is it? I'm not great at voices.
I thought for half a second it was your voice just in a higher register.
Yeah, well, I mean, it could be.
Not ready.
That he works and stuff, and he remembers all these names from his past.
Young fly.
Carpenter. You know what carpenter? Carpenter is that kind of, it's a...
Iron Man. Yes. Iron Man, the man of iron.
And that should have rubbed them the wrong way. They also like orange melon.
I did my hacky impressions, and it just seemed...
You just playing along?
Well, I thought maybe you had a speech impediment.
He had comedy chops. I think when someone's from
They're old friends, and
in the kitchen, and
He's wearing a suit.
It's my show.